Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ALTOCRAFT brand, their cordless power scrubber with brush, 3 delicate pads, 3 deep cleaning pads, and 3 polishing pads. This thing weighs less than 12.8 ounces. It's water resistant construction. Has a built-in 2 amp hour lithium-ion battery that's rechargeable. You don't have to worry about batteries. And it's going to work great to polish and clean various things throughout your house. It only weighs 12.8 ounces, which really is amazing. When you think about it, it's really lightweight, and it is water resistant. So let's take a look at this device. I love how small this is and light the way it feels, and the grip, pistol grip on this is really nice. So this just screws right on, just like that. And then it's real simple. You just hit this button here. And it's got a really decent torque. And there's a little window you open up right here. And there is the USB-C port to charge it. And the ergonomics of this is really nice, so you can hold it like that, scrub. And so the other attachments on here also comes with the USB-C, the USB-A cable. This piece right here goes on there. And then you have all these different attachments, and it's all on there with Velcro. So that's the most abrasive attachment on there. And this one right here is kind of in between. And then this is the least abrasive, which is the one that's for polishing. You use creams and things like that. So you really have a wide array of what you're going to be using this to clean with, and if you're going to be polishing or deep cleaning anything. But it all works right on this shaft. So let's take the brush off. I like this brush because it's very rigid, the bristles on this, so they're not going to wear down. So this just screws on, right on like that. And let's just take an example. Let's put this polishing pad on there. And that rotation that goes on here, that high torque, is just perfect for cleaning and polishing. And just imagine how many times you'd have to be doing this by hand, back and forth. So it saves you a lot of effort for cleaning. And this unit also comes with a really nicely written instruction manual. So I have some of the studio lights off. You can see you charge it with any USB-C port or the cable that it comes with, and it blinks red, and that will go to solid red when it's fully charged. So after testing, what do I think about the ALTOCRAFT brand, their cordless power scrubber with all these different options of cleaning? This product works really well, as I demonstrated, and I love the ergonomics of it, the way it feels, the lightweightness. This is one of these things you're going to want to have at hand to clean your sink, your tubs, even your toilet bowl. This will work with. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.